Hello, my dear students. Myself Almas. I welcome you all to English class. Today we are going to learn a lesson of class 8th and the name of the lesson is Before the Match. Before starting the lesson, let us know about the author. The name of the author is R.K. Narayan, that is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Layar Narayanaswamy. He was born on 10th October 1906 in Chennai. He was an Indian writer. He was among the three most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. He received many awards and honors like Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, A.C. Benson Medal, Sahitya Academy Fellowship. He was also nominated to the Rajya Sabha as the member of India's Parliament from 12 May 1986 to 11 May 1992. In his first novel, Swami and Friends, he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys in India in the 1930s. He died on 13 May 2001. He lived for about 94 years. Now let us learn and understand what is the story. The name of the lesson is Before the Match. The lesson Before the Match is an extract from the book Swami and Friends written by R.K. Narayan. The story is about Swaminathan who tries his best to skip his evening drill practice in school to prepare himself for the upcoming match with YMU, that is Young Men Union. Now let us begin with the summary of the lesson. The cricket match was scheduled on Sunday, 2 weeks late. Rajam, the captain of MCC, that is Malgudi Cricket Club. Rajam, the captain of MCC, had lost all his peace of mind. He was confident that his team will win. His teammates were practicing regularly in the evenings, but the trouble was with Swami. The Tatate. The meaning of Tatate is Swami is given the nickname Tatate after the famous English fast bowler, that is Maurice Tatate. The Tatate of the team on whom was a great responsibility. He did not care much for the practice with only a fortnight, means 2 weeks left for the match. Rajam pleaded Swami to spare at least an hour in the evening for the practice. And Rajan tells Swami that he is going to complain regarding this to HM. Swami disagrees to his words. Rajam tells Swami, "What I want is that you should have a good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again." Swami realized the importance of practice in the evening. Hence, as the evening bell rang, he joined the others in the drill ground, but did not take off his coat and cap while the others wore their shirt and dhotis tucked up. The drill master looked at him and muttered. The meaning of muttered is saying something quiet voice that Swami would not get leave. Swami became desperate. The meaning of desperate is tried something when everything else had failed, and persuade. The meaning of persuade is follow someone. So the Swami was following his drill master that he shall die if he attained the drill as his health condition was not good. Swami kept on dogging. Dogging means following the drill master. Swami kept on dogging with the drill master to excuse him for the drill classes. The drill master grew wild and asked Swami what was the matter. He replied he was delirious. The meaning of delirious is a state of excitement when you cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by a fever. So he said he was delirious the whole of last night. It means he did not sleep because of the excitement. His drill master was stunned. The meaning of stunned is shocked. He was not able to react anything. Who? The drill master. So the drill master was stunned of last night. The drill master was stunned. Swami lied that he did not get a wink, means sleep. So the drill master understood that he is lying and he have told that he did not sleep in the last night. And so the doctor had asked him not to attend the drill for a week. Unbelieving the reason, the drill master asked him to get out. Swami team's mates who were at the field were happy to see him, and Rajam jumped with the joy. The next morning, before Swami could go to the school, Swami meets the doctor and asks him for a reason. Swami tells him the truth that he had to play the match and needed practice. Hence, he needed the permission to exempt him from the drill class scouting held in the evening by the MCC could win match. So, he's telling that I don't want to practice any drill. I don't want to practice anything because I want to practice for the MCC. So, we can win the match. So, the doctor asked Swami if there was something wrong with him. After half a second, Swami answered that he has delirium. The doctor asked him for the meaning of delirium. So, he says, what is the meaning of delirium? Delirium means serious disturbance in mental abilities that result in confused thinking and reduce awareness of surrounding. Swami was not sure but says it is some kind of stomachache. The doctor laughed wholeheartedly and later thoroughly checks health and declares that he was in a good health and asked him to attend the drill to get rid of delirium. Swami says to the doctor to give him a certificate, but the doctor denies and tells Swami that he would not give a false certificate, but instead would talk to the headmaster to let him off after 4:30. Swami agrees and leaves the shop. So what happened? So he tells, I am not going to give you any false certificate. If I give any false certificate, it will be affected to me in the future. So instead of that, I will talk to headmaster and I am tell to him to leave you at 4:30 so that you can practice for your MCC and make your team to win. So by this, I come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have understood the explanation of the lesson. So thank you, children.